Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Cheryl, and today we're doing another episode of RV cooking. And what we're going to do today, we're going to make chicken fritters. Very simple, not a lot of ingredients, just one bowl, mix it all in, make your patties, and then you fry them off. Okay, so I have some shredded chicken that I bought. You can buy it like this, or you can cook off your own chicken and then shred it. So what we're going to need is 2 cups. So we're going to start out by putting 2 cups of chicken in. And if they're still in big pieces, you kind of shred it up that you want. You don't want it chopped because it won't work. So just kind of shred it with your fingers. And if you hear the noise in the background, that's the generator on charging our batteries for the evening. Okay. Okay, next we're going to put in a cup of cheese. Now I'm using this blend. You don't have to use this. You can use just regular cheddar, and you want it shredded. And we're going to need a cup of it. And I'm going to go a little extra. Just a little bit. And we're going to need a half a cup of mozzarella. And we're going to need a 1/4 cup of parm. Get the rest of this out. Okay. See if I can flip the top. Yes, that makes life a little easier. Trying to get it out of those holes. Okay, there's a 1/4 cup. Give this a mix. Let's see, bend you down so you can see what I'm doing. Next, we're going to put in 2 eggs. And we're going to stir that in. of a cup of flour. About a quarter cup of mayonnaise. Mix that all in. If it seems a little dry, then add a little bit more mayo, okay? Do it right now. Now we're gonna add in our seasonings. Now I'm gonna need a teaspoon of onion powder, but my onion powder decided to become one big brick, so we're gonna have to shave it. And guys, if it happens like that to you, just get one of these little shavers. I'm just guessing it. And you're just gonna shave it off. About a teaspoon. Okay. That's perfect. Then, garlic, we're going to need a teaspoon. And paprika, we're going to need about a half. And I'm using smoked. Black pepper is to taste. I'm going to do a pretty good pinch. Okay. And I have some green onion. And the recipe calls for 2 green onions diced, but I cheat and buy these. It's a lot easier when you're going camping. And I'm just going to put a good pinch in. And any big pieces you come across, just break them up. And we're going to just mix this all in. Okay. And guys, you can do this at the house too. You don't have to do it for camping. get the stove ready and heat up the oil, and I'll bring it right back. Guys, what we're going to do is take about a 1/4 cup of the mixture and make it into patties, and we're going to cook them for 2 to 3 minutes on one side, and then cook them again on the other side for 2 to 3 minutes. Because the chicken is already cooked, we don't have to slave over it. Okay. So, we're going to let that cook for 2 to 3 minutes, and I'll bring you back when we flip them. Okay guys, we're going to check them. Oh, they're looking good. Okay. 3 more minutes on this side. We'll put them on the paper towels, and I'll bring you back when I have them all done. Okay guys, dinner is done. We each got 5.5 fritters apiece, and I made a spinach salad, and we have some buffalo ranch, and we have regular ranch for dipping sauces. And this is what's for dinner tonight. Thanks for hanging out with me while I cook this, and I'll see you guys on the next video. I love you guys. Bye for now.